Hello students, this is the first lecture of your strategic management subject in a English language. Before going to start our syllabus, what we will study, how we will study, I'll tell you the meaning of strategic management. There are two words, one is strategic, second is a management. Before clearing the word strategic, you have to study about the meaning of strategy. Any action plan, or you can say any plan which fill the gap. If there is a gap, then it means at least two words will always come. First, what we are, and second one is what we want to be. Let's take an example to understand both terms, what we are and what we want to be. For say you are a CA student in a present, that means what we are, right? And what we want to be in a future means in future where you see yourself, like you want to be a CA, that is CA, that is called the what we want to be. So those actions which fill the gap between what we are and what we want to be called the strategy. I hope you have got the clarity about the strategy word. I repeat, any action or any action plan which fill the gap between what we are and what we want to be called strategy. Now comes to the word management. What is management? In a simple language, manage the others is called the management. Now question arises, what do you mean by others? Others can be any work, activity, people, organization. So manage the other people, work, activity, organization or a business called the management. I repeat, any work, people, activity or organization which can be managed, that is called the management. In coming lectures, we will surely discuss both the terms, that is strategy and the management in the details, because there are so many definitions of the strategy and the management in our syllabus. So see you in our next lecture.